Alright, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box and it is labeled pipe and smoke. And it's got the ridiculous California warning on the back, and it was made in Bradford, PA. And you can see it's a pipe. Right there's a pipe. There's a smoke curling around, and it's got a special insert. It says pipe lighter, and it shows you how to use this thing. Basically, you turn it on its side. It's got a unique chimney. So here it is. It's on a black matte finish. And this one was made in L of 18. Really nice stampings on this. That's way at the end of last year. And you can see it's got a big hole in the chimney on both sides. Small hole on top. And this is a simulated brass insert. That is a steel insert with brass coating. See how it lights up. Sounds real good. But if you hold it that way, you don't get much flame. But if you hold it this way, you get a ton of flame. Now here's the difference between a pipe insert Zippo and a regular. You can see the regular Zippo insert has 8 holes on the left side and 8 holes on the right side and a big hole on top. It's one of my favorite Zippos. So it needs fluid, maybe not. That always lights up pretty good. It's a pretty nice design. It's covered or coated with that black finish. Then they laser etch the pipe and the smoke. Let's do a drop test. I am not confident that this will pass the drop test because there's just too much wind going through that chimney. So you can see that put it out. This is not a good Zippo to do a drop test on or throw somewhere. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, this thing does not pass the drop test at all. But it's a nice one if you like pipe lighters. I have a few, and the pipe lighter definitely deserves more cowbell. Knuckle bump.